you want to support with $5,000? Stand up. I'm going to start with 5. Okay, 4,000. Stand up. 3,000. Stand up. Hey, 2,000. Hey, people need to be blessed in this place. My God. Jesus. And I just released 10K here. And I'm going to send it to him today on PayPal. 1,000. If you're 1,000, just stand here and face the audience. I will personally bless you. And this money you are giving, it will even be provided for you.
Thank you.
Before you give it. You know how God provides the sacrifice? It's God that will speak to you. Join, give. Not, we are not forcing. Did I say you must come out? No. 1,000. Hallelujah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 500. That's so easy, right? 1,000. You guys stand here. 500 this way. I want to pray a dangerous prayer for you. And you must send your testimonies to Bishop. And he will post it on Facebook. 500 here. I'm going to give you within a week to do it. It's not today. If you don't have it, it's fine. But you've made up your mind to do it. And like I said, the ravens were feeding the prophet until the widow came. 1,000 here, 500 here. Even online, mention the amount you want to give. Some of you that have it, send it right away. To support New York Church. New York Church. Hallelujah. Awesome. So this is 1K. Now when I say 10,000, you thought maybe I have the money plenty. No. But I'm thinking of how it will double or triple or quadruple. 1,500. The rest you will not come out here, but you will stand there. Somebody is praying that I should mention something smaller. I hear it clearly in my spirit. How about 200? Just stand. If it's 200, stand. Because you know, you cut your coat according to your size, right? 100, stand. Stand. Like I said, this is to support New York Church. And with Bishop, as he's spending it, you will know, because you will see the changes. You will know that he's spending it towards it. Hallelujah. You guys want the church to stay here, right? You don't want him to leave and say, no, I'm not doing it again. So we must have this church here. For all of you that are giving 200, 100, do you have your... Bishop, how do we do it? Should they bring it to church next Sunday, or if they have it here? Would you guys rather bring it next week? Or do you have it here? Some of you have it here. The way the ushers, some people say they have their own here. And if you're writing a check, should they leave the name blank or to what? Royal Place Ministries? Blank. Okay. Open your hand. Those here. Not you here. Stay here. This one is different. For those of you, 200, 300. I want to pray a prayer that before next week, the money that you're about to give will come back 10 times. That when you come here, you even decide that you want to double what you say. You have to believe me. Open your hand. Even those online, make sure the camera is facing you. Close your eyes. Father, this is what you told me to do. And this is why you brought me here. To bless them, to change their level.